This is the OPPO Find X2 Neo, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch not the calendar but Play Store app. Already, for some reason it randomly decided to ask me to enter my password. So I will do that off the screen real quick. Alright, so once you are logged in and ready to download some apps, at the search bar type in TurboVPN. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button. As you can see, we are going to use the completely free application. I mean, it's not completely free though, it provides you with an opportunity to buy a premium version, but in my opinion, the free version is good enough. So launch the app, tap on the green continue button, and then all that you need to do in order to connect to VPN or establish a VPN connection, in other words, is to tap on the caret icon over here. And once you do, you can tell by the VPN icon at the status bar that the proxy connection has been successfully activated. The moment you would like to terminate it or turn off the VPN, just tap on this cross sign over here and choose the disconnect option. As you can see, the VPN icon has disappeared from the status bar. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.